What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very useful Canva tip: how to split, how to divide images into randomized or into custom styles creative image divisions. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva design. I recommend that for better results you use free image or you upload your own image on Canva. Okay, I'm gonna use this image right here. After adding my image, I'm gonna review the left sidebar of menus on Canva and go to apps. Okay, once on apps, I'm gonna type image splitter, just like this. Click on it. Then click on image splitter, this one with the woman photo. Then click into the image to select it. Then we have a couple of options to play with: number of rows, number of columns, we have border options: inner, outer, border size, border style, border color, and border radius. Okay, up to you. Then click on split image, and here are the results we're gonna get. We can use one part per time, just like this. Okay, or we can randomize and apply as a grid. As you can see, we have pieces of the same image. We can reorder, we can randomize again until you find the design that you wish. Okay, another option is go to list, and you can add the image to the design or set as background in the case that you want, and you can apply one by one or just use the normal image to apply on your design. In this way you can create some custom layouts. For example, you can remove this part just like this and apply some piece of content maybe. This is also possible and really useful to create some creative designs. For example, you can apply this development title just like this, like right here, and maybe other parts of the content. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!